Hello there, and welcome to MarkSharks. In this episode, MarkSharks officially partners up with Vinay Public School, who have been using MarkSharks for the last few years in a few of their classes. However, after seeing the benefits of our app and the massive improvements it has made for its students, Vinay Public School has decided to fully integrate MarkSharks into its school curriculum. Our homework and quiz features will now be used by all teachers while teaching their students. This is an important moment for our app, as we will now be able to fully assist Vinay Public School in monitoring each and every one of its students' performances and suggesting where they need to improve. This partnership will focus on improving the school's overall average and each of its students' studies and marks. So as a first step towards this initiative, Vinay Public School's teaching staff, along with its founder Mr. Nagendra, who began this endeavor with MarkSharks, came to our headquarters for a Masterclass tutorial session on how to most effectively use MarkSharks to its fullest potential. This session would ensure that all the teachers would be able to use MarkSharks and its many features seamlessly. MarkSharks as an app is designed to fully integrate into a school's curriculum structure, and our team sat with Vinay Public School staff and trained them on how to use our app when it came to giving students homework, organizing quizzes, and using our many interactives to help students better understand concepts during class time. After the training session, we asked some teachers a few questions. How do you feel about Vinay Public School fully integrating with MarkSharks?
सर मुझे जो लग रहा है अभी तो वर्क करूंगा और भी एक्सपीरियंस आएगा, बट अभी जो मैंने देखा आज समझा, मैंने जो देखा इसमें सभी तरह का सोल्यूशन है। एनसीईआरटी तो 100% है, और अदर की बुक की बात करेंगे, एक्सप्लेनेशन जैसे करेंगे, चैप्टर में लेवल होता है, टाइम होता है, टॉपिक होता है, तो ये सारा कवर करता है और ये बहुत ही हेल्पफुल है। असली मैं एक टीचर हूँ और टीचर के व्यू से ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि टीचर का ये वर्कलोड बहुत ही कम कर देता है। इसमें कई सारे स्टेप पे वर्क किया गया है मार्क्सआर्ट में। एक तो ये देखा गया है कि क्वेश्चन के बाद एक सोल्यूशन दे दिया गया, उसका जैसे अब उसको पुट कैसे करना है फॉर्मूला पे, तो एक तो पहले पुट करके दिखाया गया है, उसके बाद जो आया है तो उसमें फॉर्मूला आपको ही पुट करना है, तो फॉर्मूला बच्चा सीख जाएगा क्लियर। इससे जो होता है आईक्यू लेवल भी तेज होगा। जैसे बच्चे कई सारे पजल खेलते हैं, तो पजल खेलते हैं तो एक तरह से गेम बेस्ट ये कर दिया गया, जो बच्चे को और भी क्रिएटिव और इंटरेस्टिंग बनाएगा।
MarkShark is a good platform for the learners and the teachers also. It provides, or you can say, it facilitates the learning provisions for the students as well as the teachers. Students can grasp the subject easily, and they can make their conceptual base on the basis of the topic from the marks. Okay, thank you.
Technology is now being used as a key interactive tool for education. Do you think this is the right way moving forward?
Definitely good effort, and it's a need for the future education because all the world is moving toward the AI. You can say the AI is the main factor of the learning, and this is essential for every, not only for the student but also for the common people as well as the teacher.
100% दिस इज अ राइट वे। हमारी वर्कलोड कम हो जाएगी और बच्चे का आउटपुट बढ़ेगा। बच्चे का आउटपुट जो है सो काफी ज्यादा राइज होगा। तो अगर हम बच्चे पे कंसस दें और जो वर्क आपका चल रहा है, जो ऑनगोइंग है, जो ऑडियो विजुअल क्लास चल रही है, उस पर अगर बच्चे देख रहे हैं, लेकिन हम बच्चे पे इंटरेस्ट दे रहे हैं, बच्चे को जो डाउट होगा ऑलरेडी बोलेगा वो, तो ये टीचर्स का वर्कलोड कम करेगा और बच्चे का मार्क्स राइज कराने में 100% ये हेल्पफुल है। आप कहीं भी मतलब और भी इससे पूछेंगे तो यही रहेगा, वर्क जो करेगा वो तो बेहतर बताएगा। मेरा तो एक्सपीरियंस बताता है अभी। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
So there it is. The feedback from the teachers is positive, and we are all hopeful and expect significant improvements across many areas ranging from student performance, teacher effectiveness, and all-around efficiency. We wish to thank Vinay Public School for putting their faith in MarkSharks and embarking with us on this journey. Our motto is always the same: to help each and every student be the best that they can be through learning by doing. and we hope that this momentous day with Vinay School is the first of many. We urge other schools, their teachers, administration, and students who may be watching this video to consider trying MarkSharks for free and see for yourself the benefits our app can give you and your school. To try MarkSharks for free, click the link in the description box below this video. If you wish to set up an appointment with MarkSharks for your school or administration, you can reach us at help@marksharks.com. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook, and Instagram, and be a part of our journey as MarkSharks strives to help each and every student be the best that they can be. That's all for now. See you again soon. Welcome to MarkSharks.